Welcome to day 4 with our new Quaker Parrots. We are going to do a little work with making noise. They can definitely be trained to talk. The previous owners didn't spend as much time with them as they should have. That's one reason why they gave them up and we took them. So we're trying a little something here. Cut up some little pieces of apple for treats for them. I'm just seeing if they can mimic some sounds or at least make a noise when I do and give them a treat for it. So good job. Good boy. Good job. And this takes lots of time. You should do this for probably 15 minutes a day if you're really serious about trying to get them to learn to talk, to mimic, to anything you want to teach them to do. Good job. Good job. Good boy. Now they're just making noises constantly. Yum, 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 yum. Ready? Yeah, good job. Yeah. Oh, and Jenny wants some apple too. All right, there you go, Jenny. Yeah. Good job. Well, you already have a seed in your mouth. So I'll take it. Yeah, good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. What's it? What are you doing? Hey. Shh. We're almost out here. Good job. Good job. They should be eating fruit every day, fruit or fresh vegetables. And I'm going to try to make it like a treat because they really like it. And then I can use it as an incentive to train them to do certain things. So we'll see how that goes. But if you're looking to train your bird, you should use something to reward them and make fruit time as like treat time. That should help in the process. Now they're just being loud. Yeah. Alright, well, I am going to go make some more apples for these guys. And that's all for today. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.